call me Young Legend 24/7.
Amer.
Yes,
Do you know which invention that implement magnet?
yes, I know. Let me show you.
That is it.
Have you ever wondered how modern buildings secure door without traditional keys? Today, we will explore magnetic door locks, a device that uses electromagnetism for seamless security. This lock uses two main components, which are electromagnet and armature plate. Electromagnet installed on the door frame, powered by electricity, and armature plate, a metal plate attached to the door.
So, let's see in action.
When the lock is powered, the electromagnet activates, creating an attractive force up to 1200 pounds. This is strong enough to resist force entry. Unlike mechanical locks, these are tamper-proof and integrate with keycards or apps.
So where does this magnet implement in our real life? The first one is offices, hospitals, and also smart home. And the fun fact is, the lock strength, it depends on its holding force and it measured in pounds. So what about the locking mechanism?
When the lock is energized, the electric current flows through the coil wire inside the electromagnet. This generates a strong magnetic field which obeys Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. The magnetic field attracts the armature plate, creating a bond with a holding force of 600 to 1200 pounds. The door stays locked until the power is cut.
I think those have many advantages. They are more secure since they are not moving but to break, and they can be controlled electronically, perfect for keycard or smart access.
But what if the power goes out? They need power to stay locked, but many systems have battery backups. Plus, they need less maintenance than mechanical locks, which wear out over time.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.